and she'll look to get the job done here tonight with the absence of that foe among others. She's now 3-5. She's the pick 3 favorite too. Host of other good trotters in this field though, including 6-1 second choice Catch the Dream, 9-1 on 9 Whiskey Tax, and a bunch of others. They're on the gate for race 5. It's post time. 6 Migo Moss made a break. 6 off stride. Here they come. They're off and trotting in big speed from Fearless Man, who's gunning out fast. In the center is Catch the Dream from the inside, and Affair to Remember pushing on through. Whiskey Tax with some early hustle outside fourth now. JB Wee Wee fifth tucked in. Charm Life will do the same 6 now as she tries to backpedal into a hole. Dance Hall Mistress is 7th off the speed. Further back in 8th is Fork. 9th to the outside, Windsong Géant. And the early trailer from 10th after the miscue is Migo Moss. Quarter in 27 3, and a charged up and Affair to Remember minded her manners tonight into the backstretch. She's on top by a pair of lengths. Fearless Man is a long shot pocket sitter. Catch the Dream is up and driving from in third as McDonnell sits ahead on Catch the Dream as he is brushing up powerfully and coming on after an Affair to Remember. An Affair to Remember on the inside. Up alongside comes the parked out Catch the Dream. McDonnell can't quite get by. 56-1. He's life and death to get there, but he got there. Catch the Dream will clear now. Back into second, an Affair to Remember. Fearless Man third. Whiskey Tax fourth. Charmed Life is underway from in fifth now, trying to fish out cover. And Whiskey Tax took the bait. Fearless Man might take it too as Fearless Man is off the rail now from third. That long shot goes first up. Whiskey Tax second up. Charm Life third over fifth. She's a good 5 lengths off the lead as they come to 3/4. Chasing Catch the Dream. Catch the Dream 2 lengths in front. Fearless Man is first up. An Affair to Remember third. Whiskey Tax on cover fourth. Charm Life tears off a helmet from in fifth now. She's 4 wide at 3/4 and 124-1. Catch the Dream is still there. Fearless Man in the center. Whiskey Tax and Charm Life with their best stuff late. 4 across finish coming up here. Charm Life on the far outside. Whiskey Tax between. Still there at the rail. Catch the Dream. Charm Life on the far outside. Charm Life is up in time to win. Charm Life in front. Springing loose late was JB Wee Wee, who was overloaded with trot, and the runner-up in 152-4.